Guys, welcome back. This is Gabriel once more from Ngahtech Group. So today we are going to be looking at the different operators. That's the and, or, and not operators in MySQL. The where clause can be combined with the and, or, and not operators in MySQL. So in our previous video, we discussed about the different operators. So this is a continuation of that, and we are going to look at the and, or, and not operators. So what are these? The and operator display a record if all the conditions are, or conditions separated by and are true. So if the conditions separated by and are true, they are going to display the information or the record. If they are not, we can use or. Okay, means that either this one or this one. So the or operator display a record if any of the conditions separated by or is true. So for the syntax we are going to see, I believe you have seen that. Let's look at some examples on how that can be done. So let's say, for example, we want to select the student name, ID, department, course from students, where let's say where we can say where the course or where the SID is equal to 3, or let's say 4, and course is equal to let's say, and course is equals to, or let's say the name to be equals to John. Okay, let's say name is equals to John. Put name to be equals to John, because John, we have multiple names, so we are going to be easy for us to understand that. Or name is equals to John. So we want that, we are going to see that it is what? This is like student name, ID, department, course from students, where ID is 4 and name is equal to John. So ID is 4, but name is what? Is equal to Bertrand. So you cannot display that because the information is not correct. Okay, any of the both conditions, there is a condition that is not true. We must have both conditions to be true. So for us to display any information, we want to make sure the ID is equals to 6. Okay, where ID is equals to 6. If you want that, we are going to have John, where it has 2 IDs equals to 6, because the both condition must be true. Now, if we say or, if we put this one, make it 4, and we make this one to be or, for this to be or, means that we say that either one of the conditions must be true. Okay, so if one of the conditions is true, then we are going to display the record. So if we run this one, you see that one of the conditions is true. That's why we are displaying the records, and we have 4, which is Bertrand, John, and John. So that is how you can actually use the or operator. So the last one that we're going to use now is the not operator. The not operator, we are going to see, not operator does what? Let's see what it does. So if you say not operator, when ID is 4, not, and then we put where country, let's say where name, where we put not, name is John. So if we run that, we will see that whenever there is no wherever there's John, John is not going to be displayed. It means I don't want that the name John should be displayed. That is how we can actually use the and, or, and the not operator in MySQL. So I really appreciate you for watching this video up to this point, and there are advanced sessions of this where you can actually get to understand a lot about this and or and not. For now, this course is for beginners. For more information, please contact us, and we're going to give you more details. If you have any questions, kindly comment them below. Thank you, and see you on the next video.